Tired of pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete every time you log into Windows 11 or 10? In this video, I'll show you how to disable the Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete requirement quickly and easily. First solution, disable Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete using NetPlwiz. First solution, we will use NetPlwiz. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Type NetPlwiz and click on OK. Now click on Advanced. Uncheck Require users to press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. If the option Require users to press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete is grayed out, follow the second solution. Now click on Apply. Then click on OK. Second solution, disable through local security policy. Now move to the next solution. Press Windows key plus R again. Type secpal.msc and click on OK. Expand local policies. Then expand security options. Double-click on Interactive Logon. Do not require Ctrl plus Alt plus DEL. Select Enable. Click on Apply and then click on OK. Now the Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete requirement at login is removed. That's it. You have successfully disabled Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete at the login screen. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials.